Welcome. If you want to enter notification settings in your REALME C11, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to tap on the notification and the status bar. And right here, for example, we can enter to manage notifications and change the notifications on the lock screen. We don't want to display them at all. And right now, if you want to turn off permanently notifications from application, maybe from the Google Pay or the Opera browser, you have to just tap on the switchers. And right now you will be free for all of the notifications from these apps. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.